How to increase old Navy credit card limit. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to request a card limit increase on your old Navy credit card. So you can do so by either submitting a request online through Barclays account access portal or by calling their customer service. So if you want to go for a request, just head over to your Barclays My Account access portal and sign into your account successfully. So once you successfully sign into your account, just look for the credit card increase option and follow the prompts. You'll likely need to provide information such as your income, monthly housing payment, and the last 4 digits of your social security number and credit card account. Or similarly, you can also choose the Old Navy credit card from the list of account options if you have more than one Barclays card. So click on services and then request credit line for increasing your card limit. Or you can also additionally call the Barclays customer service at the mentioned phone number by simply heading over to the contact us page for the Barclays. Select this and follow the instruction provided by the representative to submit your request. You will likely be asked the same information required for the online request. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.